Hi everyone, today we will talk about the Pixel Buds Pro. The last pair of earbuds, which is the Pixel Buds A series, were also really good, but they had few downsides. There was no active noise cancellation, no transparency mode, and there is also no wireless charging. So the Pixel Buds Pro bring a lot of changes, offering a more detailed experience. One noticeable change is these mic holes on each earbud for active noise cancellation. They removed the little wings on each earbud and made the Pixel Buds Pro thicker for better ear contact. The Pixel Buds Pro fit bigger batteries in them, and these earbuds have the best battery life. Google is claiming 11 hours with the noise cancellation turned off and 7 hours with the cancellation on. And you will get up to 31 hours of stored charging inside the case, which is capable for wireless charging. Now for active noise cancellation, each Pixel Bud Pro has 3 microphones, 2 on the outside and then 1 on the inside of the ear. These earbuds do fantastic job with noise cancellation like in air conditioners, fans and airplane cabin noise. The transparency mode in Pixel Buds Pro is not good. Instead of letting you hear your surroundings, it feels like you are still using earplugs. You can switch between the two modes by tapping and holding one of the earbuds. So one of your earbuds will activate the Google Assistant and the other one will change the noise cancellation mode. Pixel Buds Pro have full volume control gesture support. You just swipe forward or backwards to change the volume. There is one more built-in smart feature. Your music will automatically pause when you take out one of your earbuds and resume when you put it back in. You can also just use one earbud if you want to leave the other one in its case, it will work fine. The Pixel Buds Pro have smaller driver than the A series from 12mm down to 11, but the sound quality of Pixel Buds Pro is much better than the A series. And for the price part, the Pixel Buds Pro are priced at $200. Anyways, thanks for watching and as always, have a great day.